In this video, we will show you how a SharePoint user can access archived files directly from SharePoint and through the contentACCESS portal. The files displayed here have already been archived using contentACCESS. As you can see, some files have been archived without modifying their format. The original documents, such as PDFs, JPGs, and others, are preserved with their original file sizes. In contrast, within the Albums folder, the original files have been replaced with HTML shortcuts. These shortcuts are significantly smaller in size, helping to save storage space while still ensuring full access to the content. Let's take a look at how it works. Let's select this HTML document. Right-click on Preview. Open link in New tab. As you can see from the URL, the file opens directly from the archive, and you can preview it. Now let's switch back to our HTML file and check how the download function works. Right-click on Download, open link in New tab, and the file will be downloaded. You can also open the file in the contentACCESS portal, which is an archive portal designed for the end users. Right-click, choose Open in Portal, open link in New tab. From there, you can preview or download the document as well. If you want to restore the document to its original state in SharePoint, right-click and choose Restore. Open link in New tab. The file will be restored to its original location. Let's refresh the page, and voila, here it is. Nothing could be easier than saving storage space and maintaining easy access to your archived data, all with the help of contentACCESS Archive for SharePoint.